This is my Jonway Xpress 250. It has been my project since fall, and I really don't want to give up on it, but I'm at my wit's end. Okay, this is what I get when I try to start it. That's it. Now I'm getting plenty of gas. Excuse me. I'm getting plenty of gas. I can smell it while I'm standing here. The carburetor is rebuilt. A new spark plug and ignition coil. New stator and pickup. New spark plug. And let's see if she's got fire in the spark plug. Okay, so as you see, I got plenty of fire in the spark plug. I had some people suggest that it may have been 180 degrees out of whack. So I tore the engine down, the top half down, because I had rebuilt that. And where the stator is where my timing notches are, and as you see, the timing notch is where it's supposed to be, and the top of the cylinder is top dead center. So it's not that. So I got fuel, which is premium unleaded, plenty of fire. My timing is intact and everything is good. I got a brand new CDI mounted on the inside here. That's brand new CDI. I got an electric fuel pump, so I don't have to go through the cylinder. My battery is fully charged and ready to go. So I got fire, battery's good, it's getting fuel. Everything is lined up the way it's supposed to be, but still, it's not starting. And I want this bike to start. So, if there's any suggestions, I would appreciate it.